Okay, let's try this general solution question. Gee, it looks a lot like the question, oh no, I'm thinking of another one. But it looks like a lot of questions that we've done before. You're looking at this thing here, and you've got sine x, you've got cos 2x minus 1. Now the problem with cos 2x is you've got three things you can choose from. But it's often a good idea to put everything in terms of sine. And there's something else nice about this one. If you choose the one that's 1 minus 2 sine squared x, 1 minus 1 will equal 0. And that's good. So let's just look at the memo here. And so instead of cos 2x, I put 1 minus 2 sine squared x. And then I bring the sine x over, it's minus sine x. And look at that good thing that happens. You get 1 minus 1, and the 1's are gone. Well, that makes it even easier to factor. And you could think of, you could multiply everything by -1, or you can add 2n squared and add sine x to both sides. And there it is. 2 sine squared x plus sine x. It's like 2x squared plus x. Well, you factor out sine x. Sine x times sine x gives me sine squared. There's 2 sine x, and sine x times 1 gives me this guy. Well, that's it. It's in the form where you can say the things that will make it equal 0. When sine x is equal to 0, or when sine x equals 1 over 2, change the sign, minus a half. Okay, sine x equals 0 at 0 degrees, and then every 180 degrees as you go around, it comes back to 0. That's the fast way to write this. You can write it 0 and 180 plus k times 360, but it's the same as this, so you don't need to write that. Just 0 plus k times 180. That's a general solution for this guy. Now, there's different ways of doing this. You might go, oh, minus a half. To make minus a half, I know that you could say the reference angle is 30 degrees, but if you just press shift sign of minus a half, you'll get minus 30 degrees. That's okay for one of your solutions. Right there, that's when sine is negative a half. At negative 30, and then every 360 degrees. And it's always 180 minus. But minus and minus makes plus. That turns 180 into 210 degrees. And then every 360 degrees, you get another answer that's true. Well, there's your infinite selection of solutions that are going to make this equation true. And you want to write that k as an element of integers. That means there's no limit on how many solutions you can come up with. They have questions sometimes, though, that have regions, and you have to use these things to find all the answers that fit into a certain domain. Okay, so there you go.